Today, my daughter gets married. For our new in-laws, we must present a gift from
the Abacha is here. Enough to feed the entire village and our new family.
Ah, the smell of celebration. The Ugba is perfect.
May the hands that prepare this meal be blessed. May it bring unity to these two families. He said.
Not too hot, not too cold. The water must be just right to wake it up.
The fish must be crispy. It is the crown on the Abacha.
Feast of culture.
Every garnish has a purpose. The garden egg for texture, the utazi for that sharp, pleasant bitterness.
Feast of culture.
Feast of culture. Feast of culture.
Ah, the wine of joy. The celebration can truly begin.
Now, the art begins. We paint our welcome with flavor and color.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support.
This is... It will transform. Watch the magic happen.
It's like a thick soup. Exactly. This is the foundation. It must be thick to coat every strand of the abacha.
Now we build the flavor inside the thick sauce. Feast of culture.
Every ingredient brings its own personality to the meeting.
Now we unite them. Use your hands, Ekene. The best abacha is mixed with love. For freshness and a little crunch.
Ozima. The oil did not break. It is rich. We present it like a crown, for it is the pride of our table.
A feast fit for a queen and her new king. They are here. The groom's family is here. Let us prepare to welcome them.
Our in-laws, we welcome you. Please accept this small gift from our kitchen, a taste of our joy.
Abacha, you have honored us indeed. We accept this with joy.
Feast of culture. Abacha. Feast of Culture.
Cheers and ululations from the crowd.
Mazi. This is the best abacha in the entire land.
The taste of a proper celebration.
Our work is done. Now we feast. To our children, to our new family, to our new family.
Feast of Culture. Feast of Culture. Feast of Culture.
An empty platter is a mother's greatest compliment. Feast of Culture.
Today, we did not just mix abacha, we mixed two families. May their union be as rich and satisfying as this feast.
Feast of Culture.
Dalunu.
Thank you for celebrating with us.
You have been watching Feast of Culture. May your home always be filled with the joy of family.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support.
You have shared in our family's greatest joy today. If this story has touched your heart, please do us this honor.
Mama, how did you know how much engu to add to make the sauce so thick?
The oil tells you. You just have to learn to listen.
My hands are on fire.
But our bellies are happy. A good trade.
Feast of Culture.
And the greedy man was so busy looking at his neighbor's fish, he didn't realize he had no abacha left in his own bowl.
The magic. Out for prongenities.
Gentle, rhythmic walk song.
To the bride and groom. And to our tired hands.
Did you see the look on his face when she said that?
Oh, he was trying so hard to keep a straight face. They are perfect for each other.
Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and the sacred tradition of Igbankwụ.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time for another unforgettable taste of adventure.